Hello, Señora Vasquez here. I will be sharing with you a short PowerPoint. Bienvenidos, welcome to Spanish 1. I'm Señora Vasquez. This is a quick open house agenda. A little bit about me. I was born in El Salvador, came to the U.S. when I was 7 years old. Went back to school after being a stay-at-home mom for 12 years, graduated from CSM in La Plata and transferred to University of Maryland College Park, and now I'm currently working on my master's at Towson University. This is my 6th year teaching at Lackey High School. I love to travel, especially to visit family in El Salvador. And on the weekends, I am a soccer mom to my 2 high school boys who do attend Lackey High School. So every day we do our lessons on Nearpods. We do our daily goals and objectives. Repasito, that's the warm-up. We do our lessons with interactive activities embedded within the slides. And we end the class with an exit ticket. Syllabus is available in the class website under Información General tab. Expectations and rules: be on camera and muted. Respect the teacher and the class. Judgment-free zone. 0 to 10 minutes, you are considered on time. 11 to 25 minutes, you are considered late. 26 minutes, you are absent. Participate in the lesson. Complete all work on time. Follow student handbook. Follow CCPS virtual rules. Open communication through email and remind. No translators. Materials: positive attitude, open mind, composition notebook, pen or pencil. 50% process, 50% product. That's the grading policy. So absent work: if you are absent, you have 5 days to turn in any work that you have missed, but you have to have an excuse absent. Late work: all late work will receive a grade no higher than a 50% starting now. Academic dishonesty: if a student decides to cheat or plagiarize on an assignment, there will be an automatic 0 on that assignment. Online translators are considered cheating. So this is a brief snapshot of what we're going to be going over the content for the year. And now the fun stuff. How will we learn this year in the class and outside the classroom? We do Quizlet, Flipgrid, GimKit, and of course Nearpod. And this is the textbook for Spanish 1 and 2, Que Chévere. So I suggest you go to the class website and click on the different tabs that are available in the class website. All classwork, all homework, all assignments are available in the class website. Also have vocabulario. All the Nearpods are also available in the class website, and all the Zoom class recording codes and passwords are available in the class website. So the great philosophy for Spanish and for world language: growth happens daily. We learn a new language and culture. Relationships are built and strengthened as we navigate new knowledge and cultures together. Excellence is shown trying our best in everything we do. Accountability: for me to bring interesting on-target content to you, my students, who in turn strive to work cooperatively and independently to bring out your best work. Teamwork makes this all possible. Thank you for viewing my PowerPoint, and please contact me at jvasquez@ccboe.com if you have any questions or concerns at any time. Adios.